Anjan, this is the working of Ella, but it's other brands and diversion. Like this.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, there's a toy also. You want to play, Mat? You want to play?
Oh, palak.
No, it's very big.
My God, look how big these tires are.
You want to buy bicycle?
No. No, I don't want to get fit, do I? So this is different, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm surprised the guards didn't stop me from videoing, because normally they jump on your back with that.
Oh, there's a toy here. Look. It's toilet. You want this, Matthew? Because you always throw your toy.
It's funny though, kids at his age, they're more interested in the packaging than what's inside. What's that?
What?
Yes.
Trophy. Like Miss Bicol or Miss Philippines win.
Oh. So this is very unusual, like I say, to be able to video in a store. Normally they'd shut you down straight away. If you do it in SM, they're on you straight away because of all the cameras around SM. You need what, babe? Sharpener. We need a new notepad as well. Well, that was rather interesting. As expected, we did eventually get shut down. I guess they don't want the competitors seeing prices of stuff. So we're going to get some money and then we're going to get the candies for the kids. I'm not sure where Mel's taking me for that. There's one good thing about walking around with a camera. If you get run over, you've got it on camera. Is this where we're getting the candies, Mel? No. Oh, we're getting the money, you know. So, what's Christmas look like in Naga? Basically, it looks like any other day. So we're going to get some candy for the kids. Yeah. So if you're in Naga and you want candy, second floor, the People's Market. That's where all the cheap candy is. So this is where the Sari Sari stores come to get the sweets, candy, whatever you want to call it. Right, and just a reminder to try and prevent anybody sending messages saying, why aren't you holding Matthew? Well, for the few minutes that we're doing this video, Mel holds Matthew and then I carry him. Oh God, I feel absolutely knackered. Hot. It's not as easy as you think, picking sweets for the kids. That's not enough, Mel, is it? everywhere we go there's music that can get me video demonetized. The last video was demonetized. I had to delete it and re-edit it to get rid of the music. You know, when I said it wasn't enough, I didn't mean get carried away.
Bring the bag. By paralyzed?
I don't know. Get what you want, babe.
Oh, really?
No, jump on. Is that it?
If we will buy the bag or not, we can put na lang the plastic.
Yeah, it's a waste of money just buying bags. The kids aren't bothered, are
They
they?
will throw that.
Yeah.
Put na lang the plastic. Pero mas paano ang ano pa yan?
Magayon.
On one bag, there's only one piece. Okay, natin.
So, what I thought was a small bag is now a big bag. And how much does that come to? 700 and what?
7, I don't know what. 712.
712.
Yeah.
Thank you. 712 pesos.
Ang tadi siguro ano? 1 pen. Sino ang
So that's another exciting day in the lives of Mel and Chris. I have to address a couple of comments that said, is there a problem in paradise? Meaning, have you and Mel got a problem? Is that why you've not been doing videos?
They always question.
Yeah. So the answer is no, there's no problem in paradise. We've genuinely not been very well. Ooh, Mel, are you going to get that? So we're looking forward to Christmas, even though there's not a massive lot going on. But it's nice to see the kids' smiley faces when you give them something. So it's not been an exciting video again.
That boy is good. Good and terrible. You must be crazy. He good. You must be crazy.
And let's hope the next one is. The next one's probably giving the kids the candy, I guess. So, until the next video, if Mel will stop walking, it's over to Mel.
It's end na.
Yes, it's the end now.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
And visit our new revamped website at BritainThePhilippines.com. So I'm going to stop the video here before I pass out. I feel really weak. Alright, bye.
Ice.
But wait! There's more!
Just when we thought that was the end of the video. Shouldn't it be the other way around? Is that candy?
Yeah.
plastic.
No, there's a candy here.
So it's not a lot of money, and I'm not complaining. So we've spent 712 pesos, and it doesn't look like it's enough.
It's not enough, Mr. Ren, so
Yeah.
we need more.
Yeah, we're gonna have to spend some more money on it. So we decided not to get fancy bags.
Yeah, because they will throw.
Yeah.
So we don't need to spend money.
So we're just gonna put it in ordinary plastic bags.
Yeah, where is it? This one, I bet
Yeah, Mel's getting excited, you see. She wants to sort it all out.
Yeah, because I need to sort it out now.
When are we giving them anyway?
24 on Monday.
On Monday, okay.
Morning, afternoon. 24. I know it's just a simple that you will give.
No,
to them.
they'll love it. They'll love it.
Yeah, I know, but if you will think it's just like a symbol, but you will see the face of the kids smile. Oh, it's for the
Yeah.
and then I will ice candles.
But what if we don't see them smiling?
Yeah,
What happens then?
I will. Yeah.
Do you know, normally this would be making me feel hungry, but I'm not feeling hungry.
This one.
No. Do you know that? We used to, I mean, they're quite small, but I used to love getting them in my stocking at Christmas when I was a kid.
There's a big like that.
Yeah.
You should pick the small.
Well, it says 80 on there, Mel. Or is it 80 pesos?
80 pesos.
Well, we'll get some more of them because we need some more, don't we?
Yeah. I
We'll
will
go tomorrow and
I will go.
get some more because this isn't enough.
100 kids, right?
Yeah. How do you know there's 100 exactly?
No, just that.
Huh? What are you laughing at? So I'd love to help you, but you know I'm a bit.
No, I will call Kelly and with Kiana. They will.
Yeah, but they'll want to eat. No, I'm only joking. Go on then, call them in. So these are our favourite helpers. Kiana, she's a little sweetie. She loves me to death. Kelly, not so much. I don't know why, because I'm really lovable, but there you go. So it should be okay to do this video, being as it's Christmas time. And by the way, this isn't a video asking for money. Please don't send any money unless it's to support our channel, and that's quite fine. And you'll see the Patreon and the PayPal link in the description below if you want to be nice this Christmas and send us a Christmas gift. That would be very much appreciated. If not, that's fine too, isn't it, baby? Yes. So couldn't you find the help in Mile?
No,
No.
we go somewhere.
Well, I nearly said that then.
Huh?
I nearly said that then. So where's the help?
I don't know.
What we got there? Who's that?
It's
Huh?
Alvin.
Oh, my friend. Right. So the help's gone missing. Oi, don't stand on the sweeties, you little monkey. What are you doing? You come to get daddy, sweetie? You little chinky. You little sweetie. Daddy's. You like to daddy? Thank you. It's my back scratcher. So how long is this going sweeties do we need? Candy. In the UK we call them sweets. In America and obviously here it's candy. How many? How much more, my lovey-dovey? Sorry, I keep asking things you don't know. That's not very nice, is it? That's your son. Well, what's he doing? He's not doing nothing. Oh, okay. Now. Looks like we might have found help. Now, you watch. If Kiana's there, if she comes in, she'll come straight and give me a kiss and a hug. She's really sweet. Are they there, Mel? I don't think this little guy's helping very much. What do you think? Oh, lovely, thank you. So let's get started. Your new dental work looks good, Mel. Your new dental work looks good. So now we're two helpers, everything's a go. So we just thought you might like that little bit extra video on the end. Hope you did. And we want to wish everybody a happy Christmas, because it'll probably be Christmas by the time we do the next video. So yeah. So to all our subscribers, and especially all our patrons, we really hope you have a very, very special Christmas. And well, we hope Bill feels a little bit better, because he's not been feeling so good, has he? Mel calls him our angel, Bill. So thanks, Bill, for all your kindness. We really do appreciate it. Oh, that's going to be good, look. So have a lovely Christmas, everyone, and we hope the new year brings you many, many blessings. Bye.
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 Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping